Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open-source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. Is 81 cents before dropping. Since repeated tests of a level weaken it, it was likely that LRC would be headed further south in search of liquidity in the weeks to come. The RSI has formed an exaggerated bullish divergence in the past couple of weeks. This type of divergence is a weak one, and is unlikely to change the overall trend. It could see LRC bounce towards $0.9. The DMI showed a strong bearish trend in progress with both the DAI, red, and the ADX, yellow, above 20. The OBV has been declining in recent weeks as well. It pales in comparison to the volume of November, but it did highlight that steady selling has dominated the past 3 weeks. Profit booking, after the 26% intraday rally. Even so, there's nothing to change the overall bullish view on the coin. The buy the dip strategy could be applicable in this particular situation. LRC seems like a good coin to buy into, both for the promise it holds as a project and its fundamentals and technical indications. A gradual accumulation at current levels with aggressive buying once there's a breakout may be the best way to go ahead. The price of LRC, the native token of Ethereum-based scalability solution Loopring, has jumped by up to 35% after the protocol officially announced its integration and the launch of GameStop's non-fungible token, NFT, marketplace beta yesterday. The new GameStop marketplace built atop Loopring 2 layer ensures that users receive the strongest digital property rights, anchored by a secure, decentralized, and credibly neutral environment like Ethereum, wrote Adam Brauman, Loopring's head of growth. Loopring's crawlup inherits Ethereum's self-custodial security, while abstracting away costly gas fees, leaving no one priced out. Making NFTs more accessible according to Loopring's announcement, its zero-knowledge wallet solution would allow creators to deliver high-performance applications that rival the speeds and scalability of WEB2, while also empowering users to receive provable ownership and control over their assets in WEB3. Notably, Ethereum's second-layer wallet solutions allow to take the load off the mainnet by batching multiple transactions together and processing them off-chain. In February 2022. Revolut's crypto efforts. The news of Chang's exit comes a few months after Revolut announced its intention to launch a crypto token. As CryptoPotato reported back in September 2021, sources said that the proposed cryptocurrency token would go live first in the European market, and are very undervalued at the moment, and if holders were to sell their holdings, most of them would realize major losses on their books. LRC's daily active addresses also saw a substantial jump in numbers, lending support to optimistic numbers from the NVT ratio. Possibility of profit booking. However, there is one concerning sign as well. The adjusted price divergence flashed major red sell signals despite this price hike. This does come as a surprise and something one needs to keep an eye out for. Inferring from all the positivity from the other metrics so far, one can reason that sell signals here might as well point to some as an intersection between renewable energy and WEB3. I want to build the largest economy in the world in the next 10 years. I also want to solve climate change whilst at it. However, the executive did not give further details about the venture. Meanwhile, UK filings reveal that Chang is listed as a director of a new company that offered an interesting risk to reward opportunity, but things could quickly go south. The price has been in a downtrend since December. It has flipped multiple longer-term support levels to resistance on the way south. At $1.23 lay the latest of the series of lower highs that LRC has posted on its downtrend. This was the level bulls would need to flip to support to show that the market has shifted to a bullish bias. At 74 cents lay a long-term support level that has been tested for demand over the past month. The price did see a bounce and post a lower high, as already mentioned, at $1.23. However, this bounce was relatively weak, and early March saw an even weaker bounce to greater non-US locations. However, the initiative is subject to the approval of the UK Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. The London-based fintech company is no newcomer to the cryptocurrency industry. Back in 2017, the company first announced support for Bitcoin trading and has since listed several other altcoins. In April 2021, 11 new tokens were available for trading on the Revolut platform. Some of them include Uniswap, Unit, Cardano, ADA, Loopring, LRC, and Synthetic, SNX. Revolut also became the most valuable fintech firm in the United Kingdom after raising $800 million in a funding round led by SoftBank and Tiger Global in July 2021. The new injection of funds skyrocketed Revolut's valuation to $33 billion. Is Loopring the future decentralized exchange protocol? Loopring, LRC, is an open-source decentralized exchange protocol that combines an off-chain order book and on-chain settlement contracts to help traders complete successful trades. It is a blockchain-agnostic protocol that can be deployed on any blockchain that supports smart contracts, such as Ethereum, Neo, Qtum, or EOS. 7 cents, and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum LRC price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2029. Loopring's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore the LRC could be as high as $16.79 by 2029, with significant cooperation from financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $14.53 for 2029, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2029. LRC Rate Prediction 2030. LRC will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Loopring rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2030, the Loopring rate will be almost $21.22. The maximum bet we can get is $24.85. Loopring average price prediction for the end of 2030 could be around $21.95. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.